Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today is the long-awaited fall $5 Goodwill challenge, and this challenge is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home. I absolutely love and adore Hilary. She has 3 beautiful children, and her husband purchased a home and they are fixing it up room by room, and it just looks fantabulous. She does a lot of home decor, thrifting, DIYs, and just fixer-upper of her home. And right now they're in the process of completely renovating their basement. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So I would love for you guys to go ahead and check out Hilary's channel. You are going to love her. She is the sweetest person. She is a sister in Christ, and I just love her so much. So make sure you go ahead and check out her channel. It will be linked down in the description box below. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist of all the fabulous women that will be taking part in this awesome challenge. This challenge is seasonal, so she does do this $5 Goodwill challenge for every season. So I would love for you guys, like I said, to go ahead and check her out, check out the playlist, and make sure you subscribe and give her thumbs up and share her channel and let her know that I sent you over. So for my $5 Goodwill challenge, I did a little bit of thrifting. I did go thrifting a few weeks ago and I found some amazing pieces. I did do a haul of some of these pieces, but I've incorporated them into my fall decor. Right now we are standing in my dining room, and I am going to show you what I did with 2 of the pieces that I picked up from my Salvation Army store. So I hope that you guys would enjoy this video. If this is your first time seeing my channel, if you're coming over from Hilary's or any of the other ladies' channels, hello and welcome. My name is Shushana. I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, DIYs, crafting. Also, I do thrift. I love thrifting because I love to save a bargain. I also like to decorate my home with one-of-a-kind individual pieces. So I do some woodworking. I am a novice at it, but I am learning. And my husband and I, we purchased our 1920s home a year and a half ago, and we are renovating the house, each room, one room at a time, and I am creating individual custom pieces of furniture for each space. My style is a New England farmhouse, modern New England farmhouse. So I love a lot of the traditional touches of the New England style, but a lot of the farmhouse touches as well. I just merged the 2 and incorporated into my style. I am a traditional girl at heart, and I just love the way that those 2 styles come together and bring out the beauty of my decor. I also do cleaning, motivational videos, organizational, and decluttering videos as well. So if this is something that you like, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. Also, go ahead and double tap that bell for new notifications. Give this video a thumbs up if you are ready for fall, and if you already started decorating for fall, let me know what style are you going with for fall this year. So the style that I am going with is traditions because of everything that's been going on with COVID. I just wanted to bring that warmth and that tradition and cozy feeling into my home. So I feel like with this piece, it definitely adds to that cozy touch of my home, and I am so excited to show you guys what I have done with it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my hutch, and we are in my dining room, and I just wanted to show you these beautiful pieces that I got from the thrift store. You guys probably have seen a haul of these pieces. If not, I will definitely link the video so that you can go ahead and watch it. But these two beautiful vases right here, I just love the way that they look. It's very New England to me, traditional, and I just love how it just meshes with my decor and my style of that New England touch. I did not put anything in them because I feel like they kind of stand on their own and makes such a statement. I love the rope details. I love just Oh my goodness, I just love the brass finish of it, and it's just so beautiful. So these two pieces were actually on a 50% off sale day, and I actually got both of them for $5 because they were 50% off each. So I just love the way that they look. I am so excited to decorate them for every season. They are definitely going to be staying on my hutch, and I just love the way that it turned out. I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of the hutch for the fall and how it basically just add that beauty to it. I just love it so much, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video and if you love my pieces that I got from the Salvation Army, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of my $5 Goodwill challenge for the fall season. Don't forget to go ahead and visit Hilary's channel and the playlist. They both will be linked down in the description box below. Also, go ahead and subscribe and double tap the bell for new notifications so that you don't miss an episode of any of my fall videos that is coming up. I have some house tours that's coming up and some wonderful content that I have planned for you guys for the fall season. Also, I do have an Amazon store that will also be linked down in the description box below. I have a lot of fall decor, seasonal decor, and everyday home essential. I would love for you guys to go ahead and check it out and comment down below and let me know what do you think of the Amazon store. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hilary, thank you so much for having this wonderful $5 Goodwill challenge every season. I do look forward to it every single season. I hope that you guys are having a blessed day. I pray that your family are well and that you guys are well and that God is doing in your life what He is supposed to. Thank you guys. Love y'all, and I will see you in the next episode. Happy fall, guys. Bye.